Hello everyone. Good morning. This is me Renu Gupta and the bulletin starts with Acer Swift Neo with the Intel Core Ultra 5 OLED display launched in India in 61,990. X faces a global outage Cites data center failure in cause of Dell and NVIDIA launch next-gen AI solutions to power enterprise AI factories. Reliance Jio launches a gaming-focused prepaid plan with the JioGames a cloud access. OpenAI and Jony's $6.5 billion device may replace screen with the AI companies. Glance launches AI-powered shopping app with the virtual try-on and real-time personalization. Google under DOJ Antitrust probe over Character.AI deals and more. So, in yesterday quiz, what does URL stand for? And the answer is a Uniform Resource Locator. Now it's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what does HTTP stand for? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin if you nailed it. Acer has launched the Swift Neo laptop in India, priced at 61,990, available via Flipkart Acer website and retail outlets. The Swift Neo comes in a stylish rose gold finish powered by an Intel Core Ultra with 5 processor Intel Arc graphics. The laptop supports up to 32 GB LPDDR5 RAM and features a 14-inch OLED display with 100% RGB, 92% NTSC and color accuracy. Running Windows 11 Home includes a Copilot support Intel AI Boost, a fingerprint reader, and backlit keyboard with a dedicated Copilot key and a 1080p webcam. Designed for a convenience, the device is one-hand open hinge of diamond cut and touchpad. The laptop boasts a Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and HDMI dual USB ports, along with 55 watts battery offering up to 8.5 hours usage of 65-watt fast charging. Acer has Now, X, a social media platform owned by the Elon Musk, experienced a major outage affecting users in worldwide. The disruptions began around with 1,000 of users reporting issues access the app and website on a down detector. Though services appears to be restored in India, reports suggest the platform is still patiently down in regions like the US, UK, Canada, France, and Germany, Malaysia, and Peru. While X does not maintain a dedicated status page in a developer platform, acknowledged a site-wide outage and ongoing degraded system performance. Now, Now, Dell Technologies has unveiled the next generation enterprise AI solution in collaboration with NVIDIA, enhancing the Dell AI factory to accelerate AI adoption globally. New innovation include a powerful power edge servers like support for up to 256 NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra GPUs with per rack offering up to 4x faster and LLM training. The Dell PowerEdge along with the Dell PowerCool technology and NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 boost AI interface performance and energy efficiency. Networking enhancements such as Dell Power Snitch and NVIDIA Quantum X800 is InfiniBand switches ensure a high-speed, low-latency connectivity. Dell updated AI data platform with the object scale of PowerScale now supports S3 and RDMA, significantly improving a throughput and reducing latency. Reliance Jio has launched the new prepaid gaming recharge plans in India, featuring complimentary access on JioGames Cloud, its cloud-based game streaming platform. The gaming add-on packs include Rs 48 to 10 MB data and 3-day validity, and 98 10 MB data and 7-day validity, and 298 3 GB data and 28 validity. This plan requires an active base pack as it do not offers of voice of SMBs and benefits. Jio also introduced two standalone gaming plans in 495 and a validity with daily high-speed data, unlimited calls and 100 SMS day. Access a JioGames Cloud in a fan code, a JioTV and Jio Hotstar. Jio A Cloud Storage. JioGames Cloud enables a consoles a level gameplay without a hardware streaming over smartphone, PCs, and Jio set-top box. The Pro passes cost 398 and gaming set to increase Rs 499 soon. Now, OpenAI is acquiring a Jony startup IO Products on $6.5 billion to build a revolutionary AI-first hardware. I famed a designing iPhone will serve as the creative head to help Sam Altman's team craft AI-era devices. Altman previewed that division of starts on May 21, outlining plan with the ship 100 million AI companies. Devices designed to be deeply aware of users' life while remaining screen-free and underwater. The device reportedly not a plan of smart glasses could be small enough to carry in a pocket and wear around the neck with no display but equipped with a camera and microphones. Industry analysts noted that the production could begin in 2027, possibly in Vietnam. The current prototype resembles a iPod Shuffle but larger than the human AI PC. In the partnership, singles OpenAI moved the physical AI as it seeks to create a new category of intelligence, everyday hardware. Now, Glance has unveiled a latest innovation, Glance AI, an AI-driven shopping app aimed toward transforming how consumers discover to shop online. Launched on May 22, is now available on both Android and iOS. The app offers a unique inspiration-led shopping experience using Glance proprietary AI models. Unlike unconventional e-commerce platform, Glance AI allows users to upload a selfie or image to receive a personalized fashion recommendation. The app uses advanced diffusing a model to virtuality to try on outfits, placing user at the center of the experiences. It supports over 400 brands and lets users to save AI-generated looks and wallpapers. The US Department of Justice has launched an antitrust investigation into a Google deal with AI startup Character.AI, examining whether the agreement of a structure to bypass government merger reviews. Google had signed a non-exclusive licensing deal with the Character.AI in 2023 to access a large language model technology. The tech giant also hired a startup co-founders of Gnome, Shazir, and Denial or Defranchise, both ex-Google employees, raising a concern over potential anti-competitive behavior. While Google claims it holds an no ownership stake in Character.AI, regulations are essentially of move, sick, and merger regulation. The probe is still in early stage, may not result in enforcement action. It comes amid increased regulatory scrutiny of AI partnership and following a Microsoft $650 in millions of inspiration and deal and Amazon talent acquisition from Adam. Google already faces a DOJ lawsuit over alleged monopolies in online search and digital advertising marketing. Thank you for today's bulletin. Follow IT Voice for more such tech updates.